Hello everyone, today we will learn about the blood flow through the human heart step by step. Let's start. 1. Deoxygenated blood, oxygen poor, enters the heart from the superior and inferior vena cava into the right atrium. 2. From the right atrium, blood passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. 3. The right ventricle pumps blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries, which carry blood to the lungs for oxygenation. 4. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and becomes oxygenated. 5. The oxygenated blood then returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. 6. From the left atrium, blood flows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. 7. Finally, the left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, and from there it is distributed to the whole body. Always remember, the right side of the heart carries deoxygenated blood, and the left side of the heart carries oxygenated blood. Thanks for watching. This is Anesthesia with Babar.